Hi, I'm Galen Geigley from Velo X Aerospace. We're located in Michigan, and we do eVTOL aircraft. These are light sport eVTOLs, personal aircraft. So right now we're flying at 45 minutes with a 15-minute reserve, and range would be at 70 miles an hour, would be about 50 miles. And then the expense would be $156,000 all in, and that includes your light sport training as well. In Michigan, right at our facility, just south of Grand Rapids and Hastings. So we're currently not in production yet, so we're in certification process. Production is expected the first quarter of 2027. We're taking deposits right now to secure a spot in production. So a $5,000 deposit will secure your production slot. When that becomes up, then you give a 50% deposit. Plane gets built, and it's in your hands in 90 days.
How many do you anticipate the first year to be produced?
We're setting up for production 150 to 200 units a year.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Anything else you want to tell me about it?
It's fun. Flies like a helicopter, super secure, very redundant, safe way to fly.
Dream of becoming a pilot one day but don't know where to start? How to Become a Pilot is your ultimate guide. This book breaks down everything you need, from private pilot to airline transport pilot, covering what training you need, how much it costs, and most importantly, how to save money along the way. I'm Bob Cam, one of the instructors at AV8 Prep, and as a flight instructor, I know just how overwhelming this process may seem. But with the right knowledge, you can do it and save money. Just remember, the more you learn before your lessons, the easier the training will be. Take control of your aviation dream today. How to Become a Pilot will show you how. Enter your email, and AV8 Prep will send you a free copy.